friends, we will be reading this book. This is called Eating the Alphabet, Fruits and Vegetables from A to Z. This is by Lois L. Eller. Here we go. Eating the Alphabet. These pages are tricky. Apple to zucchini, come take a look. Start eating your way through this alphabet book. A, apricot, artichoke. Avocado, apple, asparagus. B, blueberry, Brussels sprout, beet, bean, broccoli, banana. C, currant, corn, celery, cucumber, cabbage, cherry, carrot, cauliflower. D, date. E, endive, eggplant. F, fig. Pages are sticking together. There we go. G, gooseberry, grapefruit, grapes. H, huckleberry. I, Indian corn. J, jalapeno and jicama. K, kumquat, kiwi fruit, kohlrabi. L, lemon, leek, lettuce, lime. M, melon, mango. N, nectarine. O, orange, okra, onion. P, pineapple, peach, pear, papaya, persimmon, pomegranate, plum. P, parsnip, potato, pea, pepper, pumpkin. Q, quince. R, raspberry, radish, rhubarb, radicchio. S, Swiss, spinach, starfruit, strawberry. T, tangerine, tomato, turnip. U, oogly fruit. V, vegetable, marrow. W, watermelon, watercress. X, zigua. Y, yam. Z, zucchini. To learn more about the fruits and vegetables in this book, turn the page. And look, this is all different fruits and vegetables of the alphabet. And I hope you enjoyed this fun story about the fruits and vegetables of the alphabet.